In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an image in a Weebly blog. Whether you're a seasoned blogger or just starting out, mastering the art of including images can significantly enhance the visual appeal of your posts. So grab your device and let's get started on making your blog posts more vibrant and engaging. First things first, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Weebly. This platform offers a friendly interface that's perfect for building free websites or online stores. Once you're on the Weebly homepage, it's time to log in. Enter your email and password on the login page. If you're like most of us who frequently use multiple accounts, make sure you're logging into the right one. After logging in, you'll see a button labeled Log In Again. Go ahead and click that to proceed to your Weebly dashboard. Now on the dashboard, locate the overview section. This area gives you a broad look at all the sites you manage, or perhaps just the one you've been working on. Now let's click on Edit Site to make changes to your blog. With that, you should enter the website's editor view. Here's where all the magic happens. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. To add an image to your blog, we first need to direct ourselves to the Build section. The Build button, when clicked, provides a toolkit of elements that you can add to your web page. Navigate your way to your blog page or simply click it if you're already there. Once you're on your blog page, find the specific blog post you want to enhance with an image. If you're working on a new post, you can click New Post to create one from scratch. Now comes the fun part. On your blog, look for the Image Element tool. Simply click and drag this image element to the desired location within your blog post. Think about where the image will fit best, perhaps at the beginning to grab attention or in the middle to break up text. Once you've placed your image placeholder, it's time to upload your photo. Click on the Upload Image button within this widget. This will prompt you with options, so select Upload a photo from your computer, browse your files, select the image you wish to add, and hit Open. Give it a moment for the upload to complete. Once the image appears in your blog, that's it. You've successfully added an image to your Weebly blog post. With that, you can make your posts more engaging, visually appealing, and professional. This simple addition can significantly bolster your storytelling and make your blog stand out, drawing more visitors to your content. Give yourself a pat on the back for a job well done. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips on managing your Weebly site.